Cyclone 3D, and I know we've got some sun shining here. Let me see if I can just angle that a little bit better. So anyways, I've been working quite a bit on getting this, my newest Diablo series. This is the Fuego line, and the Fuego obviously stands for fire. And you're going to notice real quickly, this is the new frame that I've designed. It's a pretty vicious frame. It's sharp. Literally, the points are very sharp. It's 3.5 millimeter G10 FR4 material, which is similar to carbon fiber. I'm working with both carbon fiber and G10 FR4, but this one I decided to do in G10 because it was 3.5 millimeter. So that is the thickness that we have here. The system is extremely powerful, extremely light for as much material as it has. So anyways, what I'm doing in this video here is I'm just introducing to you with a couple of the pictures what we've got. We've got a 4S 1800 battery on the top, standard one that I use on all my builds. And then I can take that off here. The Velcro system on here is very easy. I wanted it to be much easier. So anyways, as you can see on the series here, I hope the light will allow it, you can see that Diablo's actually cut into the battery mount, the base. And I think you can see that right there, right? And one of the things that I really like about this design is for the battery to make it work and to keep it really in place, but make it easy to take out. This Velcro will actually go under the aluminum bar here. It'll slide along the battery plate. So let me see if I can hold this and do it at the same time. Slide along like this, okay? And then it'll go under the second aluminum bar, which is above the camera, which is right there. And if I can do this and pull it through. And then once you get it through, and it's very easy to do, it's just hard to do when you're holding it with one hand. So it goes like this, right? And then basically you'll set your battery right inside. Now, the way this is cut, the flames on the top here exceed past the battery to avoid impact of the battery in direct contact with the ground. And these actually do work. I've already taken one of these for a test flight and flipped it upside down between the, and then it crashed into concrete actually. And between the antenna taking a bunch of the hit and then the pieces here extending past the battery did not make contact with the ground. So anyways, and then you'll just simply bring it around and you'll Velcro it in place, just like this. All right, sorry, I didn't know my hand was in the way there, but you bring it around and Velcro it in place, and then the Velcro latches down. Because it's fastened between two aluminum bars, the one in the back and the one in the front, this battery has no movement. I mean, it won't budge. It is solid. So you have no risk of battery movement at all, and it stays very solid. If your battery's a little bit longer, that's fine. This is open in the back, so your battery can extend past this area. Inside, on this particular model, I'm flying a FlySky XSR receiver. I am using the HGLRC F4 V5 Pro controller. I am using the, let me see, these are the Spider, I think they also go by ZW or ZTW, but the Spider 2205, 2600 kV motors, and I'm using their 30 amp ESCs. Outside of that, that's pretty much about it to discuss about what this has. I'll put some pictures up here. I'm going to give you some benchmarks on the motors here in just a little bit. And then this is going to be ready for sale probably on the website by next week, so second week of January. It is a unique, custom-made, custom-cut. I mean, I drew these flames out, you know, it's not something you're going to find until somebody copies my designs. You're not going to find on the market. Very strong, very fast. And again, so I'll put everything together for you guys. But check this out, and if you'd like me to design one for you, a custom quad of any kind, just let me know. Hit me up at CycloneFPV.com, and I'll be more than happy to put you on the table to start designing it and sending you some proofs for your new racing quad. Thanks, guys. I appreciate your time, and I'll talk to you shortly. Bye.